Welcome to the world of Teach Yourself.
Let's start by practicing some pronunciation to familiarise you with the way you should be saying the words and phrases in Portuguese. In native Portuguese words, there is no K, W or Y, although they appear in imported words. The whole Portuguese alphabet is as follows.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Portuguese vowel sounds are tricky to imitate, as there are nasal sounds, and sounds also differ depending on where the vowel is in any given word. Here is a general idea.
A,
As in rather,
falar,
or as in abide,
mesa.
as in rang.
Irmã.
This is a nasal sound.
É,
As in bell,
certo.
or as in madden,
Pesar. I,
as in mean,
partida.
or as in cigar,
Emigrar. O,
as in saw,
nova.
or as in boot,
Sapato. U,
as in boot,
durmo.
or as in bull.
Mudar.
Now follow the table of consonants in your book and listen to the pronunciation of the following words.
B, bonito. C mais E, sem. C cedilha, começa. C mais O, comer. CH, chocolate. D, dar ou cidade. F, falar. G mais E, geleia. G mais A, pagar. H, hotel. J, julho. L, livre ou total. LH, mulher. M, mesa. N, nadar. NH, vinho. P, parar. Q, quando. QU mais E, quem. R, rio. Ou compram. S, sol. S mais vowel, casa. T, todo. V, vida. X, baixa. Z, fazer.